So, stay sitting down. What'd you do today? What'd you do today?
I go to circus and I go to fair.
What? We didn't do either of those things today. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about
We did go to the fair last week. What did we see?
We saw goats
What else?
and piggies. Little piggies.
Yeah.
And the mama pig, he was sleeping down this goat's rice.
Yeah.
He was so sleepy.
Aww.
Yeah. The little pigs waked up.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. Oh. Well, what else did you see at the fair?
I saw cows.
Mm-hmm.
I saw a baby calf and a mommy baby calf and a mommy cow.
Very good.
That was the loud sound.
Mm-hmm. What was your favorite animal that you saw there that were really teeny tiny babies? Do you remember? In that little cage?
Cage?
Do you remember?
Remember?
The bunnies? Do you remember the baby bunnies?
Yep.
Tell me about them.
They were so cute. It's a mommy bunny. He was so big.
Mm-hmm. What color were the bunnies?
They're black and white. Black and white.
Mm-hmm. They were cute, huh?
They were cute.
What did they do?
They're eating bunny food.
Oh. Did they hop around?
Yep.
Did they
No.
They weren't?
They walk.
They walked. What did they say?
Say hi.
Did they? Wow.
Yep. That bunny's brown. That bunny's brown.
Oh.
Yep. And that bunny's what I see at the fair.
Yeah. Anything else exciting at the fair?
Horses.
Ooh.
I saw baby horses.
Uh-huh.
And a donkey.
Uh-huh.
He's scary and mean. He was
I
scary.
don't think so. Where's Dad?
He's go hunting for antelope.
He did go hunting for antelope. Where'd he go?
He went Wyoming.
Wyoming. Very good. Who'd he go with?
Got the gem. He got me.
And Corey. That's
Corey.
right.
Yep.
Yeah, sounds like fun. Do you think he'll bring home some antelope?
Yep.
Yeah? Someday you're gonna go antelope hunting?
Yep.
Yeah.
Go hunt for deer.
Oh.
Hunting for deer.
What does the deer say? Yeah. What about elk? Are you ever gonna go hunting for elk?
Yep.
Yeah?
I shoot it up.
Oh.
See?
A bull elk or a cow elk?
A bull.
Oh, what does a bull elk say?
Mm.
And what does a cow elk say? Pretty good.
And what's the deer say?
I don't know.
Meh.
Very good.
And what's the antelope say?
I don't know.
Oh no.
I don't know. I don't know if they say anything.
Is it ew?
Maybe.
Meh.
Maybe. All right, we're going to wrap this up. Can you say hi to Nana Jane and Grandpa Tom? You wave to them? Say hi.
Who's that? Who's that?
I'm gonna send this video to Nana Jane. Can you wave hi? Say hi.
No.
Oh, no? You can't say goodbye, Nana Jane.
Bye, Nana Jane.
And Grandpa Tom.
Bye.
Say, when you coming to visit?
Let's visit.
Say, come soon.
Come soon.
All right. Say bye.
Goodbye.